Hello everyone and welcome to week 3's assignment search engine results. As stated in assignment 3.3 search engine results, we were to review and study Google, Yahoo, and Bing and find out who and what appears at the closest to the top of the page over a 3-day cycle and pay attention to the results and how they change. I chose to review the Human Rights Campaign, also known as the HRC, over this 3-day cycle to find out the trends and the results of these particular search engine searches. On day 1, I googled the Human Rights Campaign only to notice that at the top left corner were human rights advertisements. On the right side of the homepage was a human rights Wikipedia profile, and towards the center were human rights related articles and news postings. Yahoo, on the other hand, had the Human Rights Campaign official website at the top left corner. Yahoo's advertisements were located on the right corner of the web page, and towards the center were HRC's Wikipedia page. Bing's search engine resulted in the Human Rights Campaign official website at the top left corner, Human Rights Wikipedia profile on the right, and human rights related news in the center. On day 2 search, I decided to use a different approach. Instead of searching for a Human Rights Campaign, I decided to search for HRC, and that resulted in a few different changes. On Google's search for HRC, not much changed. There were still Google advertisements on the left corner, Wikipedia profile on the right, and HRC related news towards the center. And the same goes for Yahoo's search as well. HRC homepage on the left, Yahoo advertisements on the right, and human rights related news towards the center. Bing search had few changes as well. The HRC homepage remained on the top left corner. The Bing advertisements were still associated on the right side, and HRC's web page was on the bottom. On day 2, the few changes was a result of the keyword search. Instead of searching for Human Rights Campaign, I searched HRC, and that resulted in the advertisements changing. So anything that had to do with the keywords HRC, those results showed by the different advertisements being viewed on all these particular search engines. On day 3, the same thing transpired. Not a lot of changes with either of the 3 search engines. Google, Yahoo, and Bing stayed pretty consistent over the 3-day cycle. There were very few changes, and the only really changes I saw associated with all 3 search engines were the advertisements. When I would search for Human Rights Campaign, advertisements that were associated with those keywords were provided on each homepage, and when I Googled HRC, different advertisements popped up related to those keywords. So the only really true changes that I saw over the 3-day cycle were the advertisement changes based on keywords.